Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have a new panel in Adobe Illustrator. This panel makes geometric designs and more special things. I'm talking about pattern window. So let's start. To open this panel, choose window and choose pattern options. But you should make your pattern first. By the default option you have in switches, you have here two pattern. For example, I will make a rectangle and choose any pattern from here like this. Now I will make a new pattern. So I will make any shape like rectangle or some ellipses like this, and also a rectangle, and make it rounded, and make another circle, and select all shapes and choose line to center. Now I will add some colors like blue, and here like yellow, and keep it like white and no stroke. Now select your shapes, open switches and drag it and drop it in your switches menu like this. Now choose window and pattern options and choose your pattern, and click on edit pattern. Now I can change the grid of pattern, make it break by row like this, or break by columns, or I can make like hexagon or hex by row. And if I make it break, I can choose the break offset. I can make it half to make this pattern in the half of this one. Can choose like this, and also I can change the width and the height of this square, can increase or decrease it, or I can size tile to art like this. And I have also the spacing between them, I can decrease it or increase it like this. If my shape have overlap like this, my shapes are above others, I can change the overlap from here. For example, zoom out, and now I can make the overlap from up to down or from right to left from here, but decrease the spacing like this, and you can see it here. And also I can choose the number of copies, 5 multiply 5 or 7 multiply 7 to increase your pattern. I have many numbers. And also I can choose the opacity from here, but it only appear in your edit mode, not appear in your pattern. And show switch bounds and show tile edge. And now after you finish, click on done to save your pattern, or save a copy to make another copy here. I will choose done, and now I will make a rectangle like this, and I can see my new pattern. And I can also rotate or transform my pattern with right click and transform and choose rotate and choose transform patterns, not transform objects. And now I can rotate like this, or I can also scale it, choose transform patterns and not transform objects, and you can increase the size or decrease it like this. Now for example, I will make this geometric pattern. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.